Alright, welcome back to Software Engineering Vision. I'm super excited that I'm making this video right now. I just want to really appreciate God for giving me wisdom, the strength, and also appreciating God for you that is out there listening to this video right now. Honestly, I'm going to be talking about how I started learning CSS. Mind you, immediately I finished learning HTML. I understand the fundamentals like div, image, links, table. I understand their fundamentals, so I proceed further to learn CSS. Right? I believe we all know that CSS stands for Cascade Style Sheet, what we use to style our web pages. Honestly, CSS is not just, well, one thing I love about CSS is that it's not just about logic but styling, and because it's that styling, it kept me going, because what it means is that you are going to be seeing your results immediately, right? And it's a little bit advanced compared to HTML, right? But a big shout out to future full stack developer. Honestly, that was this channel I used to learn CSS, and I really recommend him for you out there that maybe you might be looking for a resource or a channel where you're going to learn CSS. Honestly 100% recommend it for you, that if you go through his channel, I bet you are going to really appreciate it, right? Because he used diagrams and a lot of animation to explain CSS, right? One of the things that I'm going to be sharing this video for you out there, maybe you might be learning CSS, you know CSS, or you are just starting from scratch. Although this thing, it works in every programming language you are going to learn, right? I think what really helped me learn CSS very quick was that for every topic I learned, I built projects with it, right? For example, now if I learn typography today, or I learn CSS units today, or I learn variables, what I do is that I don't just wait for me to begin to learn all the new topic before I start practicing. No, but what I do is that if I learn typography today, I'm going to build project with typography, so that if I learn CSS units, I'm going to work with CSS units. For example, I learn rem, or I learn m, or I learn percentages. What I will do is that I'm going to practice for each and every one of them differently, so for me to really understand it. Because as a software developer or anything you do, we don't learn to build, we build to learn, right? I think that if you imply this thing ruthlessly, learning CSS, you are going to go from just tutorial here to okay, and I understand what I'm actually doing. Honestly, I just want to really appreciate you. Mind you, the whole sum is that you learn to build, you build to learn, not learn to build, not the other way around, right? I believe this is why a lot of developers are getting stuck, because what they do is that they wait for them to cover the new topics. It will not something like this compound. But when you now start, okay, you have learned everything now, it's not time for you to implement. You see that it's very difficult. But the good thing is that as you learn one topic today in CSS, try to implement it to build a basic project, right? And you're going to see that there will be a massive growth. All right, thank you very much for this video. I really appreciate you. Please do well to like this video, do well to comment, and also subscribe this video. In the next video that will be coming up, I'm going to be showing my first CSS project. I believe there are three, although there are more, because this because when I learned CSS, honestly I was so intentional about it. I built over 30 projects, in fact more. But I'm just going to be highlighting, just picking up like 3 or 4 to show you guys. I'm going to screenshot them and show you guys how they actually work, so you will keep going. Alright, thank you very much. Bye.